Y'all better. Oh. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Fast Flow, man. We back with another banger. You feel me? We done stepped up the content creating a little bit. You feel me? We got the little Rode microphone now. I feel a little bit more official. FedEx, shout out them. They just dropped off a package. You feel me? You feel me? Ain't nothing for the car. I think it is though. I think it's some brakes I ordered, but not for this car, for another whip. Anyway, forget all of that. I'm glad y'all here today, man. We finna hop into another video. I know I need a haircut. It don't matter. We got the hoodie on. We in the V8. Got the baby car seat behind us. We finna hop into this video. And what we doing today is I'm finna show y'all how to use these paddle shifters. A lot of people are always struggling with them. It ain't that hard. It is confusing though if like it's your first time ever messing with the paddle shifters. Like super confusing. Because I know it took me a while to actually understand them. I had to read forums just to see like what RPMs could I hit before I shift up or shift down or whatnot. It's a lot of mixed reviews out there, and I'm just gonna tell y'all from what I learned in my experience and how I have fun with them. I need some lotion, man. Ashy as hell. But anyway, let's get into this video, man. I hope y'all enjoy this banger, and we almost at 100 subs. I can't believe, bro, like that's crazy, bro. We almost at 100 subs. I got a 100 sub special for y'all too as well. You feel me? That I'm working to get done recording pretty soon, because I know I'm gonna hit it. Consistency is key, man. We just gonna keep pushing out these bangers, man. And hey, let's hop into this vid. All right, start off by bagging this whip up. Sport mode always. I want y'all to see steering wheel so I can show y'all the shifters better versus just a whole road. All right, so in order to, I guess, initiate the shifters on the Mustang 2020, I think it's the same for the 18s to the 2020, I think, or 2023, something like that. Anyway, to initial them, you have to put your car in S mode right here. S mode. Put in S mode. Then you got like your Sports Plus. I usually like to ride Sports Plus. That's just me personally. Better throttle response in my opinion. I've said that in my other videos as well. And then basically you just want to hit these one time. As you see that it came on, you got one and you got two. You just want to keep it in one. And you could do this as you're driving too. It won't like damage anything as well. So, and different cars are really different when it comes to paddle shifters. And I know the Mustang is, I'll get more into it, but you want to shift around 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs just to get a good shift. Versus like, yeah, you could run it all the way up to 7 and redline it, but you just maxing out your engine at that point, and you don't want to do that, man. I mean, it's cool to do it every now and then if you're racing somebody or something like that, but if you're constantly doing the paddle shifters, you don't want to do that 24/7. Damn, all these cars. So you see it's revving up. All you gotta do is hit the plus again. And I'm just showing y'all, like I said, I usually do it at like 2,000 to 3,000, but I just want to show that it won't shift unless you hit the plus. And another thing too, I forgot to mention, you got the plus and the minus. The minus is the downshift, and then the plus is the upshift. Super simple. It don't get no simpler than that. It's kind of like an automatic manual. It's literally just like an automatic manual. But yeah, let's shift up here. Shift up again. And if you, the highest shift, if you drive like low speed with the highest shift, it kind of saves miles per gallon. I'm not gonna lie, you save a decent amount of gas, but not like a lot. Like it ain't like super major, but you'll save some if you like driving and you like, man, I need to get to the gas station, you know, and blah, 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 I'm kind of far. Then just put that thing up to like the highest gear it can shift to. Different cars are different, obviously. And then yeah, hit that low RPMs. Now this is we are pushing that jump. Yeah, you see that? And you guys want to make sure you do it before it hits that 7 in the Mustang GT, the Gen 3s. Gen 2s are different. I think it's above the 7. but you want to hit it before it gets to that red line if you're trying to run them RPMs all the way up. Because if you do it before and you're racing somebody, then you'll shift too soon. You can't really get the max boost out your car, or max power or whatnot, and whatever. But yeah, you got, like I said, you got your plus, your minus, and I'm gonna show you guys how they do the downshift as well. We'll roll down the window here. Now we're gonna shift down, and wait, we'll do it again. Get another shift for y'all. All right, I had to pause it real quick. I noticed when I was editing this, I didn't mention this, but I love to keep it around 2,000 to 3,000 for good shifts always. But for downshifts, I love to keep it like that as well. Because your car, I notice if you downshift anything a little bit higher, like 4 or 5, just depends what speed you're going at. I notice that is like a little lag, like it pulls back. And I know that ain't too good for the transmission, so I usually keep it safe around 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs when I downshift and upshift. And again, like I said, when I'm racing, I try and get as close to that 7 as much as possible. Can't doubt them, man. I'm telling you, if you got them in your car, use them, bro. Like it makes the experience so much funner, and especially on back roads too, bro. You'll have so much fun. The highway, not so much necessarily, because you're always hitting it and slowing down. I mean, some people use them on a highway. It just all depends your preference, but I say I had the most fun like back roads with them. Like I'm slamming like bong bong bong, and dropping them gears on like the turns and whatnot. So it's pretty neat going on the back roads with them. And you don't even have to downshift either. Like it'll downshift for you automatically. Some cars are different, but for the Mustang GT, you don't have to downshift. It'll do it for you. That's all. That's it. So like I said, I'm driving. Upshift. It's kind of difficult on the turn sometimes though. Upshift. Ain't really too much to it. If I want to cancel it, hold that plus button down. Boom, cancel. That's all, guys. I mean, like I said, it ain't too hard. I thought that was the feds, boy, up to the left over here. I don't know if y'all seen them. Let's put our shifters on. Let's downshift. Get into the low gear. Let's say like let's do 4. Like if you're doing like a 60 row, is good to go on the lowest RPMs you can. And then when everybody like at 60 miles per hour, they be like, go. Then you just punch it. And make sure, like I said, when you're racing, make sure you hit before it hits that red line, shift up. Like you can get it as close as you can and just shift up. But I notice I usually shift up if I'm racing people like around, I don't know, that little, it's like right above the 7, that little line right above the big 7. I shift up like right there. Oh, what is that? SRT. Scatty Patty. Bro, I'm beefing with the Scat Packs. If y'all looked at my last short, I'm overly beefing with them. I don't like the Scat Packs. They too fat and heavy, and they think they can beat everybody. Tired of it. But you see how I'm riding in 10 RPMs, 10th gear, and it's like, what is that? It's like 1,000 RPMs and some change. But that's what I was talking about. Like you could drive on that and just kind of save gas. You won't even be revving your car up high or anything like that, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you can do it 24/7 to save gas. I don't know why would you want to do that 24/7, but I did it before and I had to get to the gas station. Or if your car is cool, you could just turn on different modes and whatnot. Well, y'all better. Oh. Transmission finna kuchu boom. Wait, that difference go kuchu. Getting through there, man. Getting through there, guys. I'm actually gonna pick my kids up. So it was dope that I can make this video as I was doing my normal day-to-day. I smell good oil burn. Good burnt oil. Look at all these NPCs. Get out the way. But the sound that these cars make bouncing off the trees is insane. Y'all should hear it in Chicago, bro. When I head back to Chicago, I'm making another video. That thing be bouncing off the walls. Car is loud as shit when it comes to like in big city areas. So that'll conclude that video. You feel me? Something slight. I'm gonna turn the car off. I'm actually getting a haircut today. But that's gonna conclude the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know y'all kind of enjoyed it. A couple of y'all enjoyed it at least. If I could just get one person to enjoy this video, even though it takes me a while to edit, that's all that matters, man. That's all that makes me happy. That's all that makes me happy. If I can do what I love to do for fun and entertain other people, bruh, that's the best of both worlds. Mustang, that was a Mustang. It was a Cobra. Bruh, I should have got that on video. That Cobra was nasty. Quiet Cobra, though. But anyway, I'm going, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget, like, subscription. Nah, we should get a family button on my channel, bro. Like, family, you feel me? Share it, and I'm out, man. Don't forget to tell all your friends about me. I'm gone. Outro. We gotta do our outro.